J Squad. Today we are going to be making slime with soap, but like really jelly soap. We're gonna make it in our hand. This is no glue, no borax. You can see we're in the bathroom, so we're gonna go ahead and just squirt.
And me too. Cause just to let you know, to see like exactly how we're doing it, and you can get some too. The camera's blurry now. Be right back. Okay, sorry guys. I just wanted to be like fancy, you know. Just try to be like funny.
Alright, so this is no borax, no nothing. This is just a very slimy soap. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
Yeah. Look, guys. Wait. I gotta get some more.
As you can see, it's coming in together. Oh, it already came together a little bit.
Well, see, guys, I'm going to be using this.
See right here? See, it's kind of, but not so sticky. I'm just stirring it.
Me too. Oh my gosh, it's getting thicker right now.
And what I do is I touch it with my different finger, touch it, like super soft. See? It's kind of like jiggly slime. You can't add
see, guys, look.
And I think I'm going to add something like a crisp 3D white.
Don't use all of it.
I have to open it. I have to open it. Can I set this? Can I pour this right here? Okay. I'm pouring the soap on the table so I can open the mouthwash. Okay.
Well, guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some cups because I don't want to end up wasting this, you know.
Okay. But you don't do it yet.
Be right back. I can open the door.
Hold on.
Okay, bye.
Alright, guys. We just want to get into this time to appreciate us. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and comment if you know I have not. Let's go. Jill doesn't know I have slime.
She literally died of somebody.
I was talking about you. I was saying Jill doesn't know I have slime.
Dude, you literally thought that I was like somebody coming just to like see what you were doing.
Ugh, it tastes like soap. Okay, that's enough. Hold on. Get the door closed. Let's talk.
Okay, guys. As you see, I'm not gonna talk about her, but she's kind of bright. Hello? I didn't lock the door.
Open it. Okay. No, use this.
Okay.
Oh, no, hold on. Just use this instead.
Okay, that's mine.
Hey, look at me.
So guys, as you see, we have a little progress.
Let's add a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit of Glad.
Okay. Thank you. And it's also supposed to make it thick. Oh my gosh, it's working.
Let me see. No, let me mix it.
Mix it.
Mix.
Guys, for real, look.
Yeah, mix it.
Wait, get your cup.
I can't.
Cup, wash your hands. Cup.
Okay.
She's just mad right now. Sometimes, you know when you're up in your feelings? That's how she is right now. Because she's spoiled. Not to be rude, but because she's spoiled. So, Guys, look. Wait, oh, dang it, I put too much. So basically, you know how everybody has contact solution?
Okay.
Instead of contact solution, we're going to be using 3D white crust. We're not doing this just to do it. We're not doing it just to do it. We're just trying to test it.
So we're making our own recipe.
Yeah, and if this works,
then you guys should do it.
And trust me, we cannot go to the store and get some slime. Trust me.
Okay.
And this is not fake. Okay.
Yeah, look. I'm just punching up.
Hers punching up right now. So I'm going to act fake like this is contact solution.
Yeah.
Okay, here's your contact solution.
No, don't pour it. Let me pour it.
Don't pour a lot. Because I need some. I got some contact solution. I need some more. Okay.
Just pour out some of the. I'm adding a little bit more soap. Here.
What happened?
Alright guys, let's get this up there away. Let's clean this up. Guys, we have to clean up really quick.
Guys.
No, you have to pause it.
Look. Gotta put some more slime.
Slime. It's not even slime yet.
I need some more soap.
I'm using this.
Okay, so I need a little bit more.
Yeah, that's enough.
Sorry if he's like this, saying like basically, oh, this girl don't know what she's doing, blah blah blah.
I'm adding some black wine.
Because I literally don't know what I'm doing right now. So since this was a fail, I put too much of basically contact solution. So if you know what I mean by contact solution, I'm talking about the 3D Crest White mouthwash.
Mine is working. We could add some salt.
Oh, sure it's working. I just wanted to add it a little bit more.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little
2, 3,
Alright.
4, 5.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go try my best to sneak some salt in my hand.
Guys, sorry for like the argue. We never really argued in a long time. It's just that I told her to get her some slime. Cause like, you know how you love slime, right? Because, and I was just playing about the whole brat thing. I actually do love that girl too. No homo. I'm not trying to be fruity at all. I'm not fruity. So don't be in the comments like, oh, this girl fruity, blah blah blah. I'm literally not. Her thing is working real good though.
Okay, that's some salt.
Me?
Alright guys, I got some salt. This is not borax.
That's what borax look like?
No, it's a little bigger than that. I'm gonna put it right here. Jill, don't use a lot. Use a pinch at a time.
I'm using pinch by pinch.
Mix it for a long time to get another pinch.
Guys, this is what it looks like right now.
It's getting super thick.
Mine's too. Well, not that thick. Let me see.
See? I think we should try and put this in the freezer.
Okay. Just gotta put some.
Alright guys, we're gonna come back to you when we're done mixing.
Okay, bye.
Okay guys, we started her again, which I keep telling her just mix it.
Not my fault. Okay. This time
See, I keep telling you, the more you mix it, the more it's coming together. Mine's just coming together really well.
Just gonna put a little bit more.
And this is all you get.
I know.
If you mix really fast, it's to whip it. Maybe you'll add some salt. I'll get your own salt.
You need.
No, I got the whole bunch of salt. If you mix it really fast, it makes it get really thick to the fruit. As you can see, mine has that strip there. But I think we're just going to have to put this in the freezer. Let it get mushy.
Yeah, mine too. Mine got a little bit soamy, so I'm trying.
Mine isn't so sticky. Yeah, I'll touch mine. Not like a little, really softly. Alright, so when I touch mine,
Guys, why?
stop mixing it so fast.
No, it's because the foam from the, you know what?
Once it got really low.
From the
And then
contact
try it.
solution. I'm sorry if you guys just don't see me and then y'all just be like, who is that just talking in the background? Well, you might see me, I don't know. But I hope you do see me. So let's put in the camera. Okay. Here, I have my cup over there. Yeah, I do what I want. Because I had it in my soul. I can't dance. Sorry. If you're so just like blinded by my dancing. Actually, I'm not a great dancer, but I think I'm a good singer. I'm not going to sing, because this is not a singing competition. So, yeah. Sorry if you guys just say, oh my gosh, she has to record everything.
Alright, is that all? I told her what we were doing. So we were making a video. And she said, just don't make a mess. Whoa, if you can, so they keep telling you just mix it fast. Not too fast.
Because it'll make it liquidy. Because it'll make it liquidy. Now I need some Glad.
Only